Hello, I'm Johnny Chaffin from Collins Manufacturing, and today we're going to talk about some service points or some things to check on the WD-9 wick dryer. And we've already removed the heater assembly from the unit. You don't necessarily have to do that. We did this for another video that we're going to shoot in a second. So I've already got the power disconnected before we go inside the box. And inside the control box, you're going to see this is our timer assembly. So if you have to replace the timer, you can remove the 4 screws, and then you can just make sure you pay attention to how it's wired originally. This is the heater fan assembly in here. And this is the fuse. If it runs and you have fans running but you have no heat, start out by checking the fuse. If it's coming on the running, then the fuse will be the problem. Second thing to check is this is a high limit. This, in case the unit overheats for some reason, this is a safety that shuts it off. You can also check that to make sure that, that for some reason it hasn't failed. We've not had any issues with those. So basically a relatively simple device. You got a blower, heater, a fuse, and of course the timer assembly, and then the cord pulls out of the back of the unit, and this all just slides into this box assembly. If you can replace the entire assembly, we have those available. You could buy this entire piece if you had a problem with it rather than go in to service it. But the idea is it's relatively simple to service. This comes out, and we're going to do another video on showing how to remove all that. So again, I'm Johnny Chaffin from Collins. Thank you.